Hello and welcome to another Schiller training session. Today, I'll show you how to transfer tuning data, such as EGR, DPF, and AddBlue parameters, from a modified ECU file to another file with the same ECU and calibration. We're working with two cars that use the same ECU and similar software calibration. I'll show you how to transfer the data from one mod file to another original file. First, load the modified file in WinOLS. Click Next through the prompts. We're not correcting the checksum at this stage. Continue Setup and label the file as mod file. Then, load the original file for the second vehicle. Label it accordingly. Then press Ctrl 2 to activate the file comparison window. Compare both files by checking their software and hardware information. You'll see the version is slightly different, but not significantly. Press N to navigate differences between the files. Then press F to scan for map data. Use F to find the maps and press N to view the differences between the files. Wait a few seconds as the software processes the data. Here's an example. Compare a specific area in both files. See how the values differ. Use Ctrl F to locate these specific values. Once you've confirmed the correct areas, right-click and choose Transfer Values to copy the modified data to the target file. These values may relate to AddBlue, EGR, or DPF systems. Select the section, right-click, and transfer from left to right original. Repeat this for all relevant areas. When addresses match across both files, you can even build a map pack to reuse. This process allows you to apply the same tuning logic to a similar ECU. You don't need to transfer everything in this training, but the method shown is applicable to all relevant maps. Once the data transfer is complete, save the new modified file and write it back to the car. In this session, we learned how to transfer specific tuning parameters such as EGR, DPF, and AddBlue from one ECU file to another using WinOLS. The process involves comparing two files with similar calibrations, identifying map differences, and selectively transferring values. This method helps apply existing tuning strategies across vehicles with similar hardware, saving time and ensuring consistency in performance upgrades. Thanks for watching.